This is the Mainstays 5-shelf arched metal bookcase from Walmart, and it is surprisingly sturdy. I didn't film myself putting this together because it was a bit difficult to film that. What I did when I put it together is I had everything slightly loose, and then once I got it fully assembled, I tightened everything down, and I made sure that everything was basically level up and down and left to right there, as much as I could get it before I tightened it down. And one great thing about this that I've never seen another manufacturer do is it included this ratchet with a unit, so you can tighten everything, untighten it, and it takes a standard size bit. So if ever you need to use something like this in the future and you buy this metal bookcase, then you will have this. It's pretty handy. I'm gonna give them +5 for that. It's pretty awesome, and it saved a lot of time instead of having to put something in here that they usually come with, like a Z-shaped one, and spin it around and around and around. The ratchet really helps with that. So this one isn't fully decorated yet. It's got some of our stuff on there, but I just wanted to show that it is fairly sturdy. And one of the better features about it is, of course, when it's empty, there's nothing on it. You can adjust it if your floor is a little bit even. It's got these 4 right here that spin, and if you spin them that way, then it makes them longer. If you spin them this way, then it will make them shorter. And what I like to do when I assemble something like this is, before putting anything on it, I extend these about halfway, all the way around all 4. Then I set it down, and if it's wobbly at all, then I can extend them further if need be, and retract them further if need be. If they're all the way up or all the way down before you try to do that, then you might be a little off. So it's best to have those about halfway down. That way you can adjust up or down as needed. But this thing is pretty sturdy, and it comes with a part that we didn't install, but it goes on the top or back here, and that adheres it to the wall. We've got plaster right here, so we can't really do that. Plaster is great to look at. It's not fun to work with. And here is the stock number, pretty long if you need that. It was a pretty easy assembly, although it did take a while. I'm going to give this 9 out of 10 shelves, even though it has 5 shelves. And that's just because these didn't line up as well as I would have liked. I would like them to line up a little bit better, but this is mass produced, so kind of what can you expect? But it is surprisingly sturdy once you get everything tightened up. I hope that helps somebody if they're looking at getting this. Again, this is the Walmart Mainstays 5-shelf arched metal bookcase. Thank you for watching.